Warning, never be a. Today, what I'm gonna tell you is just gonna be massive. It's gonna be so much exciting that you are gonna be loving it. What I said something like this, and I promote YouTube, right? I say that YouTube is the best platform that you should always be using for growth. Why am I promoting two different ideologies? The answer to this is very simple. It's not that I am promoting two different ideologies, but what I want to say is that you should definitely follow the thing that actually you are passionate about. But let's understand this thing that you should never be a YouTuber because you want a career that is really fruitful. And the best thing of all is that you have got one life to live. And what's the best way to live the life that you enjoy the most, right? So the best thing that you can do here is not YouTubing, because YouTube is just a platform. Previously, I used to myself think that YouTube is the only place from which we can only make money through AdSense, or that is YPP.YouTube partner program, that is also known as. Now, what's the another avenues? There are different sources of income that we can generate and we can actually monetize. And this is my own opinion. I want to help you to monetize in different avenues so that you don't have to be a YouTuber. Rather than becoming a YouTuber, I want you to be a creative entrepreneur. Now, what is a creative entrepreneur? A creative entrepreneur is basically a YouTuber, a Facebook user, a person who just promotes his things and loves doing the thing that he loves the most, and still he is getting paid for that. Now let's assume this: you wake up, you do the things that you love, you don't have to work for 9 to 5 and all that stuff. How would it be? I have myself tried doing 95, and if you are a really creative person, trust me, you are not going to be loving it at all. Now, it might suit, you might try it for quite few months or for a few years, but then someday you might think, when you're going to be old, you might think about, oh no, I don't want to do something like that for the rest of my life. Now, imagine the scenario that you are starting your career from 20 and you work till 60 and you give 40 years to something. If you work for a job, you give 40 years of your lifetime, 8 hours straight every single day in, day out. That is a good amount of time. 96,000 hours on a thing that you hate the most. Do you want that to happen? If no, then listen to this really clear. I want to show you a footage of Mr. Beast.
That'd be really good. But so let's see. Dude, if I don't have 1 million subscribers when you see this video, my entire life has been a failure. I hope I have 1 million subs. I better have 1 million subscribers when you guys see this.
Did you just saw that? I don't want that to happen same like that to you, because I don't want that level of desperation, because it's really bad. It's your mental health that is going to be suffer. So what's the right way? The right way is to be a creative entrepreneur, not to attach your emotions to the analytics. And I know that analytics are important for cash cow channels, but we should also understand that there is something that is an emotional side of ours. We as a humans need something that can be easily be done, and if we want to do something that we are really passionate about, we should always focus on the things that we are as a human are passionate about. For example, if you want to start a cash cow channel, then you should definitely focus on the analytics. If you're someone who is really passionate about something, about a craft that you love the most, then you should definitely focus on that much often rather than focusing on the analytics. Now, I just want to give you this option that if you are going to be trying and if you're going to be understanding what's the thing that's good for you, why you should be trying creative entrepreneurship. So whenever you try to become a creative entrepreneur, it's very simple. You stay a YouTuber like you were before, but your mindset changes because now you think it as a business. What happens is that you have the same audience, they want recommendations. You give your recommendations and your affiliate links, or you help them with your digital products. So what happens is that they get much more value from it. And whenever you help them much more, the bonding that you share is really good, like the way we are sharing the bonding. That is, you love the videos that I show and you get value from it. So what's the best way that you can also do the same? So the whole happiness index, it's going to be getting bigger and bigger, and it's gonna get compounding. It will have a compound effect or a snowball effect. Now, let's talk about something that is quite massive. What should be done if you want to be a creative entrepreneur? The answer to this is nothing more and nothing less. You need to understand, and you should have some systems that should be kept and that should be modulated, that should be used by you so that you can serve your audience in a much more better way. First thing is creativity fit. If you want to do something that you do not enjoy, for example, if you are into a job that you don't enjoy, you should never do it. Now here is another conclusion, that if you are a designer, let's assume you want to do a job and you want to have your own media agency. Right now you don't have that guts or confidence or resources to start. So should you start an agency right now, or you should work? The answer to this is you should work into that segment for quite a good amount of time. Whenever you gather information, or if you have confidence, then you should definitely go and start your own agency if you want to do it in that way. Now here comes this beautiful part, is you want to start something that you love, rather than, for example, if you're a designer yourself and you're working on coding and stuff you don't like at all, then why are you trying to do something that you don't love? Right now, here is the right thing that can be easily be done to adapt to a lifestyle that you think that is going to be suiting you, that actually suits your needs, your purpose, and the best thing of all, your main goal that you want to achieve. Now here is the right way, here is the right approach. For example, if you want to become a YouTuber, you are going to be getting paid only by YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. And I, as a person, would love that you get multiple sources of income, because whenever you are going to be getting that, you are going to achieve financial freedom. And whenever you're going to achieve financial freedom, trust me on that, your level of work is going to increase drastically, because your focus will be really sharp. It will be laser focus. And best thing of all is that you are going to deliver 1000% more. Your focus will be 10 times more than it was previously. Your focus will be really laser sharp, and your focus will be on the art that you're doing, not on the money. So the best thing that you can do is to choose the path that you think is right for you. So if you think that being a YouTuber works for you, it's okay. It's absolutely all right. But if you want to level up, then follow these steps that I just told you. Bye. I hope that you have understood and got a great insight and a great depth and understanding about the whole thing. I hope that you have got a great valuable information from it. See you again on another video.